This holiday-shortened 14th trading week of 2012 comes to a close with investors focused on the long-term effects of the European Central Bank's liquidity injections, as well as ongoing problems in Spain and Greece. Hi, I'm Sayoko Murase. Welcome to the weekly market wrap for Friday, April 5th, 2012. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the Nasdaq were all lower for the week. Crude oil futures are about even this week, trading around $103.32 a barrel on Friday afternoon. Gold futures, meanwhile, are lower this week to $1,629.98 an ounce in afternoon trading. In notable economic news this week, the Labor Department announced that the number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits fell by 6,000 last week to a seasonally adjusted 357,000, which is the lowest level since April of 2008. In corporate news this week, Visa announced that it is dropping global payments from its provider registry to allow time to reassess the firm's data security standards following a security breach. Global Payments announced on March 30th that approximately 1.5 million credit card numbers were compromised. Monsanto announced that it earned $1.2 billion on revenue of $4.7 billion for the quarter that ended on February 29th. In the same period last year, the company earned $1 billion on revenue of $4.1 billion. The company attributed the increase to global demand for corn and strong United States sales. SanDisk announced that it expects revenue of about $1.2 billion for its fiscal first quarter. That's down from the previous forecast of $1.3 billion to $1.35 billion. The company also said it expects gross margins to be in a range of 39% to 42%, also lower than its previous forecast. The company will report earnings on April 9th. CarMax announced that its profit for the fourth quarter increased by 7% to 41 cents per share. That's up from $88.8 million or 39 cents per share in the same period a year ago. Revenue increased by 10% to $2.48 billion. Analysts had expected earnings of 40 cents per share on revenue of $2.42 billion. This is the weekly market wrap for Thursday, April 5th, 2012. Please join us on Monday for the week ahead market report. This is Sayoko Murase for PassFail.com, taking you behind the ticker.